Okay, so friends, today I'm gonna show you how to take out the dipstick which is broken inside the line. So that was very hard to take that, but I'm gonna give you something tipsy here. You can see that it's not easy to pull that here. So I watched some videos and I got some idea, and we'll see how it will work. Okay guys, I bought this tools, that drill bit from the Harbor Freight, and there was a very cheap sale price on the Christmas time. So today what I'm going to do that, look here, I have an impact drill, so which is very easy to fix that. See, so now I'm going to drill these things. Maybe you can see or know whatever, so should keep us straight and slowly. First you have to drill slowly. Okay, so now I have this screw which is I'm going to put in this side, so we'll see how it works. If that doesn't come, for example, if sees that the plastic thing, so then what we have to do, we have to warm up that. I believe it will come. We'll see. No, it doesn't come. I have some idea. Okay, that doesn't come. Okay, so I'm going to wiggle that. Might be it will come out because the plastic things which is inside, that's seized, and we'll see if it comes out, otherwise we'll do something else. Oh my god, this is really very hard. Okay, okay, now I'm going to, because I hit up that and I'm wiggling that, and I believe it will come. What I can do, I'm gonna use these things, and we have to do like this. See, it came. Wow, it was stuck from long time and I didn't try to remove that, and yesterday I went to change the oil, and that time they say you have to fix that, either you have to pay us because they were charging too much high, which looks to me, and that's why I was thinking, why don't I have to fix myself? And see, today I got that. Thank you. Thank you for watching, and I'm gonna put new. Thank you.